recap into Euro AUD. This trade is still ongoing, so I'll do a video recap once it hits, or I take profit, or it hits stop loss. But for now, I'm going to go over my entry technique. As you can see here, out on the higher time frames, we got this. Oh, there we go. We got this high to low trend line. Came in right here, this area right here, right? So I'm going to drop down to my lower time frame. And this is something new that I'm working on for entries. You take the curve line. You could probably use a straight line right here. So if we delete this, we'll just go like this, and we'll draw it straight up like that. Once it breaks the trend line, you can see I got in a little late, but you could have entered right about at the break or up here on this little retest up into this candle right there. Currently up 61 pips on this trade in about 2 hours. But yeah, that was my entry, was using this curve line. After I find it, I'm going to start right here, bring it up to here. So you can see that it followed this, and exactly when it broke, we're having a breakdown in price right now. Lined up perfectly with the trend line, so could have entered there. For extra confirmation, would it be wait for a trend change, which is what we got right here, right when the trend line broke, or the curved line broke. And yeah, up 62 pips currently. And we'll see how this trade plays out. Seasonal prime analysis was bearish. This was bearish too. Obviously, hasn't played out like that, but pretty even on the order stream. So yeah, that was my entry analysis. I'll do a recap once I close the trade, and we'll see if I can get 240 pips out of it or what I do. Data on Euro AUD, we're about 160 pips in the profit right now. We're right below this support right here. We're right above this support right here. It's currently market closes in 3.5 hours. Long weekend ahead, so I'm just going to take profit on this at 160 pips right here. And I'll put that right where we are right now. So I'm going to secure this 160 pips. And I'm going to just look at more opportunity over the weekend. Wait for new opportunity next week or going into the new year.